Our fingers crack due to a sudden release of gas in the synovial fluid of the joints. Each finger joint is surrounded by a capsule filled with synovial fluid, which lubricates movement. When the joint is stretched, the pressure inside drops, forming tiny gas bubbles that collapse or burst, producing the characteristic popping sound. Anatomically, the sound is not bones rubbing. Bones are smooth and covered with cartilage. Instead, it's the rapid formation and collapse of these bubbles in the synovial fluid within the joint capsule. Ligaments and tendons then adjust, restoring joint tension and stability.